So the weather is changing, it's really cold, so hope the snow will wait today, and let's see what we can find. We have such situation that we can hit great stuff inside buildings. Now you can see how Willy search for good signal. It's a huge.
I think it's for cooking. Maybe. It's so bad. I have no place to put.
I'm really tired. But still digging. We're still digging, so hope we find something good. I see watches. Here. Oh. So we find a SS dagger and the watches. So this is absolutely amazing. I need to be careful with this. This is a really great find. So, are you ready? These are really big watches. Really huge watches. I need to be careful. So, whoa. What do you say now? Really nice watches. Whoa, I'm speechless. I have no words. This is absolutely amazing what we find here. 2 meters from the SS Dagger, these beautiful big watches. Whoa! Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Really great find. These watches, really massive watches. We find it maybe 30 centimeters away from that SS Dagger. So hope these watches have the SS soldier here. Anyway, really great. Whoa! I'm speechless about all this find because no idea which angel it's about me, because I find so many great finds today. So thank you, Digger God. Absolutely amazing start. Whoa, great. Now you can see the finds all together from hunt today. This is the scabbard from the German bayonet, the watches, and the SS Dagger. What the day! Whoa! This is really amazing day. I have no words. This is really huge here. This is really huge. I'm speechless. This day is awesome. This day is awesome. Whoa! Really great. The nice cupboard. Really in good shape, and the SS Dagger. Wow! This is absolutely amazing. I have no words. This is great. This is really great. We take all the stuff what we find today, and we are on the way into the car. Like you can see, it's really dark. We are here maybe 3 hours, so we need to go home now. So anyway, great digging today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please leave a comment, share this video everywhere on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever. We see tomorrow, maybe, if I have a time. So thanks guys for watching, and we see you next time. Bye.